నమస్కారం మాస్టర్స్. నమస్కారం మాస్టర్ ఈకే. ఓం గం గణపతయే నమః. జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మల స్ఫటికాకృతిం ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మన కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం 156 మెడిసిన్స్ మీద బ్యాన్ విధించడం అనేది జరిగింది. దాని మీద ఒక వీడియో పాటను పెట్టాను షార్ట్స్లోని. తర్వాత దాని గురించి డీటెయిల్డ్ వీడియో చేయబోతున్నాను. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మనం సైంటిఫిక్ వీడియోస్ ఎన్నాళ్ళ నుంచో చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం కదా. ఆ సైంటిఫిక్ సెన్స్ని ఎవాకన్ చేద్దామన్న దృష్టితోటి ఇప్పుడు ఒక మంచి వీడియోని స్టిల్ నెవర్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ సైన్స్ వెన్ వీ విల్ అవేక్ అనేటువంటి దీని మీద ఒక టాక్, సింపుల్ టాక్ మాత్రమే. ఇది నేనేం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదు. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ద వీడియోస్, వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎసెన్షియల్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద థింగ్స్. Still we are teaching that there is only two kingdoms in the world. So every scientific lesson tells this only. Number one is plants, second one is animals. What about the man? Man will be kept in which kingdom? Is it coming from animals or is he coming from plants? This is a big question mark. There we will include as human beings as third with and without humanity. So is there any humanity in these human beings or not? That is a question, another question mark. Then who is the man? How man is formed? These are the questions will arise automatically. The foremost kingdom of the earth is only one when the creation starts. Creation, nobody has started. Creation comes. There are so many series were like about that was in the science, but it's only one. One is mineral kingdom is the first and foremost kingdom in this world. That's the plants are transformed. Plants are transformed by the minerals plus water will give the plant kingdom. So this is a realistic view. Without water there is no living being at all. We can easily say. Plants are transformed into the animals. The animals means this little animals and timid animals and also the vegetative and also herbivorous animals. There are only early living beings. Vegetarian origin was transformed further into given the animals into the animal kingdom, transformed into the animals as a carnivorous and also eating animals. So minerals to animals, animals to the another animals, and then further altogether formed man is formed himself, or this is a big question mark. We can discuss these things about later. Human kingdom is totally why the human being is able to digest. The one big question mark should be understood by the people, and also big question mark should be answered by any scientific session or scientific person. Because how the human beings are able to digest all plants, minerals and animals and another animals also, carnivorous animals also, means the meat eating animals, that is nothing but the animals which are depend on the flesh of the other animal. They are also having how the man will digest all these things, able to digest. So this is his digestive system is developed such a like that. So that's why he is able to digest so many issues and also the quite king of the animals. That's why this is a big question mark. So but scientific theory will tell the human evaluation is the process by which the human developed from the apes as ancestors over the millions of years. It means that so many millions years back the man is formed through the apes. It is a by hearing it is okay, but how these apes means apes are should be more, but the lower animals, living beings, how they are also formed from the apes, from the come down, or they are human being is upper. So this is not thing. There are in the universe there are two basic principles. One is the horizontal and another is the vertical. All horizontal are the animals which are, of course plants are vertical. So animals also will come down or come as a vertical standard, So verticality is the human beings and also some animals. The animals which are in the horizontal fashion, they will live about their intelligence is very low and human intelligence is very high. This is the reason. So the verticality is the human being means that is to over to the akasa is the principal light, and also towards the akasa the panchabhutas ultimately given the human being, living beings, animals and another animals which are at the lower level, and also the plants and also the minerals. So that's why the earth is composed of five panchabhutas. One is akasa, vayu and agni, jala and prithvi. The prithvi is formed. The prithvi has given a pathway to the human beings and all other living beings. Thanking you. We will discuss another thing in the next video.